In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a database for company updates. We'll do this in Notion using a ready-made template, then walk through how to open it, explore the dashboard, and tailor it to your team's needs. Start by heading to Notion.com. If you're not already signed in, click Login at the top. On the sign-in screen, choose the Google option and select your account to continue. Any login method works here. Using your work account is usually best, so your template lands in the right workspace. Once you're in Notion, open the More Options arrow next to your workspace name to reveal additional choices, then click Templates. Templates are a huge time saver. They're professionally designed starting points that you can fully customize. Think of them as frameworks. You can keep what's helpful, remove what isn't, and adapt the rest so it fits the way your team works. In the template marketplace, click the search field and type Company Updates. From the results, select the Company Updates template. If you see different sections, scroll to the Templates area to find it. Click Add to bring it into your workspace, and then click See Template to open the page you just added. Inside the template, click the dashboard. This is the hub where everything comes together, often in a table or database view. You'll see key properties like titles, dates, authors, teams, and statuses that make each update easy to track and filter. Take a moment to click around the dashboard. You can edit any field name, add new properties like tags or priorities, and remove ones you don't need. If your team prefers different views, create a board by status, a calendar by publish date, or a timeline for quarterly planning. These are just different lenses on the same data, so your updates stay in one place while you view them however you like. Now slowly scan down the page to the bottom. Many templates include helpful sections beyond the database, such as guidelines on writing updates, examples, archived items, or resource links. This is where you'll find context that keeps your updates consistent across teams. Adjust the copy to match your tone, reorder sections to highlight what matters most, and add quick instructions so new contributors know exactly how to submit and tag an update. If you plan to share this widely, set default properties for new entries and confirm permissions so the right people can view or edit. And that's it. You've added the Company Updates template, opened the dashboard, explored the database, and reviewed the entire page so you can make it your own. Save your changes, and you're ready to start posting updates.